old-fashioned drink smoker, cocktail smoker kit. I've had this for a little while, and I've had to wait till I got some butane for the gun. That's the gun. It works good. Has all the parts that you need to make a smoked drink. All right, so it came with the a couple of these holders. It came with this wood thing that goes right down into the cup like that. You put your choice of wood, and this is it says natural wood chips, but it shows a peach, so I'm gonna assume that's peach wood. This one is walnut. This one's cherry wood chips. What's inside of here? Like this. Open it up, and we have wood chips. This would be oak. So I don't know how much you're not gonna need very much of this. So this will probably last a while. And then I would assume that if once you run out of whatever flavor it is that you like, you can go to the store and get you the wood pellets that they put into pellet smokers that are all the rage these days, and use whatever flavor that you like. I'm not sure if this company sells refills or not, but it says to prepare the drink. So let's prepare the drink. So our drink of choice is a double of tequila. That sits right in there. We're gonna put the oak chips in the little basket, just like it says. Got it everywhere. It says to light the wood chips on fire. And then it says to cover it up. It's smoky in there. And it's all smoky. And we take this off. There's the smoke. Is that hot? That's not hot at all. That can sit down. We'll taste it. Taste it. Maybe a little bit. It's not overbearing, that's for sure. Yeah. You get the wood's good flavor in the air too, so you get to have a little fun with it. You know what? The product says it does what it says it will do, and you get a blowtorch out of the deal. Can't go wrong there, can you? So I will give this a thumbs up. It is what it says it is. It does taste a little smoky. Now I have to drink a whole glass of tequila. Great. Anyway, thank you for watching.